वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल हो पर करियर को एडवांस करना है, डिस्टेंस एमबीए इन नोएडा कैन बी अ ग्रेट ऑप्शन फॉर यू. बट किस कॉलेज से करनी है डिस्टेंस एमबीए? लेट्स डिस्कस इन दिस वीडियो. Here I will tell you about the top distance MBA colleges in Noida that are right for you. Amit University. Amit University is famous for its curriculum that combines theoretical knowledge with industrial trends and learning. इस कोर्स की फीस है 1,79,000 and if we talk about its key feature includes online learning platform and a well-structured program. National Assessment and Accreditation Council rating is A+. Shiv Nadar University. Distance MBA course at Shiv Nadar University supports the global exposure of students among top recruiters. The course fees is 5 lakh for 2 years and the learning system is hybrid. National Assessment and Accreditation Council rating is A++. Its key feature includes a reputed university, convenience and flexibility. Indira Gandhi National Open University. Indira Gandhi National Open University is a distance MBA college which has a high reputation as it offers a high quality online education opportunities. Its course की fees है 62,000 and the learning system is hybrid. National Assessment and Accreditation Council rating is A++. Now let's talk about its key feature. Its key feature includes flexibility and a wide range of specialization. GLA University. Distance MBA course at GLA University is based on flexibility and academic excellence. This course की fees है 68,000 and the learning system is online. Trigal University. Trigal University is a great university which offers the live and recorded classes for distance MBA. It also offers a flexible fee program and convenient placement opportunities as well. इस कोर्स की फीस है 54,700 and the learning system is online. National Assessment and Accreditation Council rating is A+. Its key feature includes convenience and excellence for working individuals. Bidla Institute of Management Technology. It is a good distance MBA college which offers a distance program. The course fees is 2,75,000 for 2 years and the learning system is online. Its key feature includes a large number of specialization and reputed day school. National Assessment and Accreditation Council rating is A+. Mangalayatan University. Mangalayatan University is known for innovative distance MBA courses. It supports the overall development of students. The course fees is 67,000. Its key feature includes reputed B school and it's good for working professionals. Now let's talk about Chakulia Institute of Management. National Assessment and Accreditation Council rating is A. This course की fees है 1,50,000 for 2 years. It offers 7 elective and 25 core courses. Jamia Hamdard. Jamia Hamdard University provides a top-notch distance education with high academic standards. इस कोर्स की फीस है 1,03,500 and the course duration is 2 years. The learning system is hybrid. National Assessment and Accreditation Council rating is A. Its key feature includes reputation, flexibility and experienced faculty. Now let's talk about Manipal University. Manipal University is a great university which offers live and recorded classes for distance MBA. It also offers the flexible fee program and convenient placement opportunities. इस कोर्स की फीस है 1,75,000 and the course duration is 2 years. The mode of education is distance and the learning system is online. National Assessment and Accreditation Council rating is A+. Its key feature includes reputed university, convenience and excellent for working individuals. All these courses are affiliated by UGC DEB, National Assessment and Accreditation Council and AICTE. Lastly, the eligibility criteria for all these colleges or university includes bachelor's degree of a minimum 3 years duration with at least 40% marks for result category. For more informative videos, please follow Nave Education, and for more information about these courses, please visit Nave Education's website. Think online, think Nave.